Cream Liner is a durable product which doesn't drip and is water resistant once dry. Watch as our artist uses this product not only as an eyeliner but for a complete eye makeup. Firstly, using brush 3712, we're using the colour Snow as a base. Apply a light application all over the lid and brow bone. You should work fairly quickly with this product as it sets very fast. Using lapis lazuli, apply to outer corner of the socket line and blend across into the inner corner. Once applied, use a premium brush to blend the product into the socket line. Next, using an angle brush 9806, continue a very fine lash line underneath the bottom lashes. Using the 3712 brush, soften this line by blending. Using angle brush 9806, apply the colour Ebony into the very corner of the socket line. This helps to create intensity and depth. Continue this product along the lash line to accentuate the lashes. Again, soften this product by blending along the socket line and out towards the lashes. Once you're happy with the application of cream liner, pressed or loose powders can be applied over the top to set this base. Using the same techniques, polyester glimmer or glamour sparks could be applied on top of the cream liner. Now we'll show how we can use cream liner as an effective mascara. Placing a tissue underneath the lashes and using premium brow brush 9362, gently smooth the product onto the top lashes, paying particular attention to the root. This square brush is excellent for intricate detail when applying mascara. Continue the process by applying to the bottom lashes. This tutorial demonstrates how cream liner can be used alone or in combination with other products to create more than just your classic liner.